Over the years, as an acrylic painter, I've tried out lots of palette knives, so many that I can't hold them all in both hands. There are the large Liquitex Freestyle palette knives. These are great for if you're doing abstract paintings that are really, really large. This type is the first palette knife that I ever used, and honestly, it's only really good for mixing. Of course, there's the Bob Ross palette knife and the imitation Bob Ross palette knife. This one I found on Amazon. Both of them work very similarly. This one is a little more bendy than the Bob Ross. You know, these are good for painting happy little trees and mountains. But the thing I don't like about them is their size, and they are kind of stiff. And even this one that's a little less stiff that I got off of Amazon, and they don't really work well for doing details, at least for me and the way I like to paint. I can't put paint on the side and really slide it over the same way as I can the palette knives I'm about to show you. These are the type of palette knives that I really like. They're extra bendy and you can get into detailed areas with them. So you can choose the one that you want depending on what type of marks you're trying to make on your canvas. They have thinner tips and they are longer. Some of them are a little bit shorter, but this one here is my favorite. I love the tip. It's sort of diamond shape, but what's great is you can mix with this. You can make areas of color like scumbling on your canvas with this. You can draw lines with it. It's so versatile. And as you can see, there's lots of paint on this. I have used it for many, many years. I've actually had two of these throughout the lifetime of my painting career, and I've been painting for about 10 years or so. And after 6 or 7 years, it broke, so I went and bought another one, and I just love this palette knife. I've also made a video about one of my favorite brushes that I absolutely can't live without. You can watch that video here. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.